Today I'm back at the Mendips for Crook Peak and Wavering Down. It's about a 10-kilometre circuit. Starting in Kingswood car park, then going to head down the hill, around the base of the hill, and then up Crook Peak and onto Wavering Down, and then back to the car park here again. Now just heading straight down through Kingswood. We head down to the road at the base of the hill, around the side, through some fields, and then we start climbing up to Crook Peak and return via Wavering Down. Just dropping down now into the village of Cross. In the foreground here we have Wavering Down, and then just across to the left is Crook Peak. So we're heading across the fields, going to go to the left hand side of the ridge, and then straight up the ridge up to the top of Crook Peak, and then back along Wavering Down. Right ahead we have Crook Peak. I'm dropping down into the village of Bishop Compton, and then I head round the back of the village and onto the ridge that leads up to the right hand side straight up to Crook Peak. Now that might have been my footpath just here. Yep, here we go. Heading up the ridge now that goes straight up to Crook Peak. It's about 120 metres of vertical ascent, but the views are pretty stunning. Well, this is Crook Peak, just up there, but it's quite windy, so you won't hear me talking. So we've come basically from across the base of the hill there, and we're now heading straight along the ridge here. This is Wavering Down. So the hilltop there is Wavering Down, 211 metres. That's where we're headed next. Back across to the right there, Crook Peak. Wavering down, 211 metres. Again, great views from here. You can see across to Crook Peak and also across to Cheddar Reservoir and Glastonbury Tor. Let's go. Almost back into Kingswood and back to the car park. Another 500 metres.
If you liked this video, please consider subscribing and click the bell notification to stay up to date.
Today I'm doing Crook Peak and somewhere else, I can't remember. Anyway.